क्या आपने सुना है एसआईपी करो मस्त रहो, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है? म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क. Please invest carefully. Guys, what is mutual fund? Hi, I'm Rushabh Shah, founder of Midas Finance, and today let's try to understand what is mutual fund. So let's try to understand mutual fund through the most important topic that we all love, and that is food. Let's assume you're amazing at cooking and today you have to cook for some people, some guests that are coming home. So what are you going to cook? You're going to cook your favorite dish. What are the ingredients you're going to use? And do you love cooking? So the most important question over here is, do you love doing what you're doing? And if the answer is no, you might choose, oh boy, I'm tired, I already worked a lot and I don't want to cook today. You might just Zomato it, right? You might just call food from the nearest restaurant. जो भी आपका favorite restaurant है वहाँ से खाना मंगाएंगे और you are done with your job. Similarly, mutual fund is very similar to food. अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना आता है तो आप खुद कीजिए. You can decide stocks on your own. You can decide which funds to invest on your own. But for some reason, you're busy working, and if you don't like doing it, or if you don't know how to do it, then mutual fund is for you. Mutual fund आप जैसे इन्वेस्टरों से पैसा लेता है, फंड मैनेजर को देता है. वो फंड मैनेजर डिसाइड करता है कि क्या खरीदना है, क्या बेचना है, और वो जो शेयर्स ले बेच के उसे जो प्रॉफिट जनरेट होता है, that goes back to the investors like you. So the whole cycle is investor giving money to fund manager, investing money into securities, generating profits, and giving or distributing those profits back to investors. And this entire cycle, my friend, is called mutual fund. To know more about mutual fund, follow us, like, and subscribe. Thank you.